Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a planer. Begin by ensuring power is disconnected and work area is clear. Then install sharp knives following manufacturer torque specs and blade orientation. Next, adjust the in-feed and out-feed tables so stock feeds smoothly, and set the depth of cut to small increments like 1/16 inch for initial passes. Finally, test with scrap wood and check for snipe before full operation. Handle blades carefully and keep fingers away from sharp edges while working. Use a marker to note blade orientation, then lift the cutter head guard and replace knives one at a time to maintain balance. Tighten bolts gradually in a star pattern until they reach the specified torque, and spin the cutter head by hand to confirm clearance and smooth rotation before reconnecting power and testing with scrap stock. Square the fence to the table and cutter head to guarantee straight faces. Start with a shallow depth per pass, such as 1/16 inch, and increase only after confirming smooth feeding and no burning. Raise the outfeed table slightly to support stock as it exits, and consider featherboards or hold downs for consistent pressure. Always test with a scrap piece to fine-tune settings before planing your project pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.